Hey, Tom.
Hey, Norm.
Angela had some pretty awful shutters when we started this job.
She sure did, and I don't know if you want to call them shutters. It's just a piece of vinyl that, if you look at the back, you can see it was just a piece of trim work that hung on the side of the house.
Right, but today we're going to do the real deal, and I see you have the new shutters here, and they are heavy and solid.
They're heavy and they're sized right. They're actually made of a composite material, two different composite materials. The stiles are a marine grade fiberglass, and the rails are solid PVC. And they're put together with glue, no mechanical fasteners, and the finish is a polyurethane marine grade paint.
Right, well, they're going to hold up well, it sounds.
They sure are.
Well, now we have to install them properly.
Well, let's see how they fit in the opening. So they fit right into the brick opening.
Yeah, nice, perfect sizing.
Yep. So now we have to figure out a way how we're going to mount them to the building, and we're actually going to use a strap hinge like this. Put one on the top and one on the bottom. And we're going to use a pintle hook that will mount to the face of the brick, and that will allow us to swing the shutter out of the opening. Now we'll just pre-drill for the screws, and there's 3 per hinge.
It's an old building, and the openings are not square. So we'll position the shutters by eye and hold them in place with some shims. Good. Okay. All right.
We'll mount the pintle hook of the hinge to the surface of the brick using some masonry screws. Now, to keep the shutters closed, we need to install a latch on the inside. All right, let me go in and see how it works. Perfect. Now, the last thing we need to install to keep the shutters open are the holdbacks. Okay, there you go.
All right. Well, not only do these shutters look great when they're open, but next time a storm comes around, Angela's windows will be protected.
And I love it when shutters are done right.
Right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.